So we've talked about why technology is so important and how the landscape is changing for our students almost daily. So before we even talk to our students about technology and all of these possibilities, you and I need to understand the components of what it means to create, to think critically, to communicate, and to collaborate with technology. You've probably heard these things before. They're called the 4Cs, and they're a very popular framework for understanding how to learn in the 21st century. The 4Cs are not a new framework. Lots of people in the instructional technology space use the 4Cs to help map out what we want students to be able to do with technology. I, however, feel a little bit differently. Often you see the 4Cs in a circle. So you have create or creation, you have critical thinking, communication, and collaboration. And while they all work together, I feel that creation is the most important. So for me, I put creation right in the middle. Creation, creating, creativity, all of these things are essential to being able to do the rest of it. Without creative thinking, you can't have critical thinking. And without creativity, you're not going to be able to come up with unique ways to communicate with other people and share your ideas. And finally, it takes a lot of creativity to learn how to collaborate. Often, students struggle with the collaboration piece, but when we can help them think creatively, then we can help them collaborate creatively. So let's look at creation as the start.